Hey y'all, it's Miss V from Miss V Designs for You here with another video. So this is watch me work making a custom card box with a topper for a 70th birthday. So those of you that were on my live yesterday, you saw that we were able to cut out our pieces. Here I'm trying to do something dark art deco, so that's our backer, and then these pieces are going to fill in, and then this is the number 70. She's turning 70. Okay, so that's the art deco theme there. And so what I'm doing here is I'm using a embossing folder to try to get a texture on here, and this is like the half circle that's going to hold the topper or sit on top of the birthday box. So we're gonna do a design on here and a design on here. Okay, I'm using my big kit, which is a manual embosser. However, I do have an electric one, and just like I thought, this is acting up. So I purchased these. Let me see. I purchased these from a vendor, and however, they seem to be extremely thick. So thick that they are not going through my embossers. So let's see if I can do it without the, man, this is not going to be tall enough. Man, it's always something. Let me see if I can do it with just another layer. Okay, see if that tab will help. I probably need to put that rubber foam on here. Okay, nope. Let's see how it will work with just this. Okay. Let's see if that's enough. Okay. Because sometimes this thing will dangerously pop. So I'm going to run it through twice just to make sure that it made the impression. Okay. Because typically you're supposed to have 2 sandwiches, but let's see if my little hack works. Okay. Ooh, I think it did, y'all. Yeah. I don't really like the corners, but yeah, see that? Yeah, I like that. And then I'm going to fold this in half, so I will be able to kind of hide. Yeah, I usually do it like this. So that way I can kind of hide where it didn't meet at the bottom. But this is going to be half. But I'm going to do another live or another video as I'm putting this together. But I just wanted to show you guys with the general idea. So it'll be like something like this. Okay? But like this. Okay? So now, even though I have this like on some sticky paper, let me see. I got it on some transfer paper. Okay. I'm just going to take a chance and see if I can get it to... Hold on, let me cut that down. Because the issue was trying to find a embossing folder that was big enough to cover. So what I might have to do... Oh, yes, okay. I see what I'm going to have to do. Man, I can't never have nothing easy. So what I might have to do... Excuse me. is try to go so far. Oh, I hope I don't mess this up. Lord, please don't let me mess it up. Oh, I'm scared now. So I'm thinking if I go midways and then I should be able to turn it and run it back through, kind of matching. So I need to make sure I stop like midway. Okay, fingers crossed, y'all. Otherwise, I'm going to have to recut this whole thing out. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay, so here we go. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Because I do not want that line across there. Okay, and it's okay if it cracks and pop. That's normal. Okay. And I'm going to stop right there and come back this way. Ooh, that's why I said you got to be careful because this thing will pop back on you. Okay, so we're going to take that top sandwich off. Okay, okay. So now I got to put this back in here. If you guys can see where it kind of stopped. So I got to try to match. Ugh. But then if I do it that way, I'm going to have a line. Oh, man. I do not want that line across there. I wasn't thinking about that line. God dog it. Okay, so this is... I think I got it right. Y'all, it's got to be like right. Okay, so that's like, all I have to do really is put it in. Make sure it gets, okay, hold on. I think I got it. But I don't think I really need to stress because, hold on. Yeah, I don't think I need to stress. Because if I line it up like this, we gonna see. And then go this way and stop before the line. I think I'll be good. Ugh, fingers crossed. I'm always trying something different, y'all. Can't help myself. Okay. I'm always thinking out the box. Ooh, let's see. I don't want that line. Let's see. Looks like I did it. I did. I just didn't go hard enough. But I know one thing. I'm not running it back through there. For the most part, they got a little dent in it. You're not going to really be able to see it anyway. Hey, what's that? But I did it. It's the indentation is in there, but it's going to be in between. Let me be careful with this because I already got one rip. So it's going to be in between this. So you're really not going to be able to see it. Plus, I'm going to have a 70 on there. So, yeah. And I just got to fix that one little part. So you see what I was going for? Okay. And so now what we're going to try to do is make this into an actual sticker. But that might be in my next video. So it's going to be like this somehow, some way. Like this. So you won't even see my little oopsie. Oops. Okay. Try to get that in there. And man, I was on the struggle bus trying to use my Cricut because now that I'm a silhouette girl, the struggle was real. But thank God for Sabrina. She helped me out. So it's going to be something like that. Okay? So stay tuned for the next video. Again, this is Miss V saying bye. Peace. Please don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm always doing all things crafty on this channel. And I might give you a word or two of encouragement or inspiration or affirmation. So come back, come back, come back, come back. Until next time, this is Miss V saying peace. Bye. See you in the next video.